This semester, we've been part of a bigger production group. The IPS that we worked from to create the game was: how can a game-based learning tool teach about the Internet of Things? After the production, we split up into smaller groups. This video represents the experiment done by Group 2. During feedback of the game, Jakob B. Mikkelsen, who is principal level designer at IO Interactive, told us that a good game will never have pop-up text boxes as explanations for something happening in the game. Based on the analysis, we ended up with a final problem statement. How is the understanding of the concept Internet of Things and the engagement level affected by text narration compared to audio narration in a game-based learning tool? To answer this problem statement, we came up with two different hypotheses. One to measure the differences in engagement level, and one to measure the differences in the conceptual understanding of Internet of Things. These hypotheses were then tested on two different versions of the game Connect It.
Today, a new version of Internet Protocol is being introduced, IP version 6.
One version used audio narration.
Super strange. Wait, what's happening with the light? Why is it going crazy? Where's the remote?
I know that all of my stuff is connected to the Internet of Things. This whole structure of things connected to the Internet.
And the other version used text narration. From the test, which was conducted in a natural environment, we found that within our game, there was no significant differences that could explain the conceptual learning difference of Internet of Things. Additionally, we could not establish any significant difference in any stages of engagement between text and audio versions. However, the game in general had a high engagement value before and after playing, suggesting that the overall experience of playing the game was enjoyable. This case shows that the game might be a good tool to broadly explain the concept of Internet of Things. Combining the game with post-in-class discussions might be the best use of the game, as it seemed to keep engagement levels up as well as facilitating some understanding of Internet of Things.